जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 25th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, some of the yogis, they perform their aradhana to other devatas, all the devatas, with all of their attention and devotion. They think that, they perceive that itself is, the devata aradhana itself is yajnam. And some of the yogis, some of the devotees, they perform real yajnam, having agni, offering ghee into that as havis, and using sruk, sruva as instruments. With this entirety of yajna, they will be involving in such yajnas. So there are different ways that people, yogis, does perform their yajnas. These are all known as vividha karmas, vikarma. Like this, different yogis involve in different ways of performing yajnas while carrying atmajnanam. Atmajnanam is known as akarma. Because they are all involved in different activities, it is known as vikarma. So those who involves in different activities having atmajnanam, they also definitely attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to perform our day-to-day activities, making it as, transforming our activities as yajnas, while having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Daivameva pare yajñam yoginaha paryupasate brahmagnava pare yajñam yajñenaiva Vupajuhvati. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee. Keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on sharing my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on sharing your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimadbhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimadbhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing different avatarams, incarnations of Sriman Narayana to Narada Maharshi. Chaturmukha Brahma saying that, O Narada, Paramatmas, Paramapurushas, avatarams are such a beautiful avatarams, and the stories related to those avatarams are beautiful and very auspicious. Once we listen to those stories, whatever the sin that it is attached to us by listening to bad things, all that will be removed just by listening to the stories of Paramatma's avatarams. O Narada, pradhanyato yanrusha amananti leelavataran purushasya bhumnaha. There are few important avatarams our elders used to mention. So now I am going to be describing one after one of those avatarams and those main activities of those avatarams. O Narada, once upon a time, this entire earth, Bhumi, is drowned in Maharnavam ocean. At that time, Varahaswami appeared on this earth. Varahaswami has all the yajnas as his body parts. Varahaswami's Swarupam, it is out of imagination. It is beyond imagination. It is beyond description. And Varahaswami's nature is also beyond imagination. Such Varahaswami, in order to uplift the earth, he has gone into ocean. Tam damshtrayadrimiva vajradharo dadara. Varahaswami went inside the ocean, and there he fought with Hiranyaksha, who is the eldest son of Diti. Varahaswami fought with Hiranyaksha and he peeled out Hiranyaksha. That is how he uplifted the earth. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma started describing the different avatarams of Sriman Narayana to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. శ్లోకాస్ ఫ్రమ్ ముకుందమాలా స్తోత్రం. పృథ్వీరేణురనుః పయాంసి కనికాః ఫల్గుస్ఫులింగో లఘుః తేజో నిస్వసనం మరుత్తనుతరం రంధ్రం సుసూక్ష్మం నభః క్షుద్రా రుద్రపితామహప్రభృతయః కీటాः సమస్తాः సురాः దృష్టే యత్ర స తావకో విజయతే భూమావధూతావధిః. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 4th chapter 25th శ్లోక. దైవమేవ అపరే యజ్ఞం యోగినః పర్యుపాసతే బ్రహ్మాజ్ఞావపరే యజ్ఞం యజ్ఞేనైవ ఉపజుహ్వతి. దైవమేవాపరే యజ్ఞం యోగినః పర్యుపాసతే బ్రహ్మాజ్ఞావపరే యజ్ఞం యజ్ఞేనైవోపజుహ్వతి. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.